Good morning. My name is Jerkin Rivero Munoz. Topic: City the Future. When do you see city will be like in the future? City in the future will be advanced technology will change the physical structure of city as buildings will generate their own energy with solar panels and smart materials that will regulate temperature without air conditioning. One aspect we be most notable about cities in the future transportation will be electric, autonomous, they will be flying car and road design for them. Green space will be abundant, and streets with predominate on streets. Noise and air pollution will reduce architecture will start fighting awaits nature I will beginning to work with it. It is urban architecture or return and further you function as natural drainage system and remote work with free people for happy touring also so urban center will not be overcrowded. How will everyday spaces change in the city of the future? Public space will not disappear; on the contrary, it will be more valuable as people will ski out plazas, markets, and cultural centers as cargo of community. Even our dam will be completely digital, so with smart and weapon is artificial intelligent robots will perform multiple tasks in city. City will be safe from public violence. People will be completely dependent on technology. City become intelligent system that reform the behavior of the city to improve the society of public transportation and the distribution of resources in real time. Flow will be seen and defined in future city. Money will be digital. Thank you.